Can pool filters explode? Well, they can explode, or they could have a sudden explosive decompression of the tank by way of a crack or failure, or a split tank coming apart at the seams, either because it's failed or just because the band clamp connecting it wasn't done tight enough or done correctly. A pool filter is a pressure vessel, and it can and will run at systems up to 30 psi. If you take a large tank the size of a garbage can and pressurize it to 30 psi, that's dangerous. That's a lot of pressure. And if you have especially a split tank style filter that you've opened for service, then put back together, you're not really sure if you put it back together properly. Yes, that is exceedingly dangerous because it can come apart at the seams when it's 30 psi, and it definitely could do a lot of damage to anybody standing in the area. It's not uncommon at all to hear stories about people doing something just like that, and they'll end up shooting the top half of their filter tank 100 feet in the air. So you certainly wouldn't want to have any part of your body in between that filter tank and open sky. That could result in pretty grievous injury or a fatality. It's been known to happen before. So you need to respect how powerful a filter can be. It's important to note that swimming pool systems operate up to 30 psi, and believe me, 30 is plenty, and that's dangerous as is. But it is really common for the pressure gauge on pool filters to break, and break often, and people just stop replacing them. But if you do that, how would you know if your system is in excess of 30 psi? It could be that your filter is put together properly, but your system is malfunctioning and you currently have 40 or 50 psi. This is exceedingly dangerous, and certainly you would turn off your system anytime that you note a pressure in excess of 30 psi with your filter. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.